Steps for casting on. 1. Prepare the machine. Ensure the machine is on a stable surface. Reset the row counter to 0. Check that all hooks are in working order. 2. Find the starting point. Locate the black or marked needle on your machine. This is your starting point. 3. Begin alternating yarn placement. Hold the working yarn and place it behind the first hook black needle, in front of the second hook, behind the third hook. Repeat this alternating process around the entire machine. 4. Close the round. After you've gone around, crank the handle slowly to ensure all hooks are catching the yarn correctly. 5. Start regular knitting. Once the cast-on row is complete, begin cranking the handle at a steady pace. For the first row, ensure all hooks are picking up the yarn consistently. Behind the third hook dot, repeat this alternating process around the entire machine. Steps for binding off. 1. Stop knitting in the final row. When you've reached the desired length of your project, stop cranking the machine. 2. Cut the yarn. Cut the working yarn, leaving a long tail about 12 to 18 inches for binding off. 3. Secure the stitches. Using the yarn needle, begin removing stitches one by one from the machine's hooks. Do this by threading the yarn through each stitch as you lift it off the hooks. Ensure you go in order, following the circular path of the hooks to avoid tangles. 4. Tighten the edge. After all stitches are secured on the yarn, gently pull the tail to tighten the edge for a gathered look.